Uh-huh, honey.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Today we're doing a neutral eye look with a super bold lip. So first I'm going to use, you guys already know, my MLM Beauty brow pencil in the color chocolate chip. It's coming back in January, so don't worry. I know it's been sold out for a little while. And then after I outline my brows, I like to fill it in with a pomade. The pomade I'm using is from the Crayon case. It is in the shade Ebony, and I'm using an Anastasia number 12 brush to fill it in. Now I'm going to outline my brows using my Born This Way concealer, and I'm using a Crayon C467 brush. It's like a pointed concealer brush or eyeliner brush, whatever it says on the website. I use it for concealer, my cut crease, eyeliner, my brows. It works beautifully. Moving on to face, I'm going to take a little bit of toner just to like shrink my pores, exfoliate a little bit before moving on to finishing my eyeshadow. All the shades for this eye look I got from the matte book. I'm using the whole bottom row and then the white shade. I wish they had names, but you know, it is what it is. And the brushes I used for this look was exclusively from Morphe. One is the first one, which is the one you see right now, is the M433 brush. It's pretty much the brush I used for the whole look, and then I used the C441 brush to just blend the brown and the transition color together. Now I'm going to cut my crease with the same pointed brush from Crayon, and I'm slightly cutting my crease. I'm not going really high, just going maybe a millimeter above my natural crease. And then I find that when I'm not doing a full cut crease, when I'm just doing a half one, using my finger, you'll see me do that, to blend the concealer really into the skin to make a nice smooth transition between the outer V shade and the end of the cut crease. Now I'm going to take the white shade from the matte book and just tap it on top of the new crease that I created. And I'm using the M433 brush for this as well. Using the white gold pigment from J. La Rue Cosmetics, I'm going to pack that on top of the white eyeshadow just to give it a nice little shimmer. I'm going to prime. I'm using my Dermablend Jelly Primer. Love, 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 love this primer. It just makes your foundation look so flawless. I'm going to use my favorite drugstore foundation, which is the L'Oreal Fresh Wear in the shade 515. It is a little orange, but I make it work with balancing out my concealer, highlighting, and all that good stuff. And I'm mixing my Farsali Skin to Blur and my unicorn. It's not unicorn. Y'all know I can't remember the glass. Glass primer, something like that. I'm gonna put it in the description. I can't remember the name off the top of my head. Now I'm going to highlight under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, forehead, above the lip, all that good stuff with my Born This Way concealer in the shade Butterscotch. I do spray a little setting spray to help, you know, give it full coverage. I stole that from Jackie Aina. And then I'm gonna blend it out. I'm using my Crayon case chalk dust in the shade A to set under my eyes, above my lip, all the places where I apply my concealer. I'm using the M441 brush to smoke that dark brown under the eye. Gonna apply my favorite lashes from Celeste Los Angeles in the style Flare. These are my favorite. I do have a code for them. I'll put it in my description box. Now for the bold lip, the Crayon Case Graveyard lipstick. Love, 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 love this shade. It's like a deep plum. It's so, so, so beautiful. Spraying a little setting spray, you know, the Morphe Continuous Mist setting spray, and that's it for this look. Hopefully you guys liked it. Oh, I forgot. Jesus. Fenty Beauty highlighter, Wattabrat. And that's it for this look. I'm not good with voiceovers. I probably never will be. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this, and see you guys next time.
Beef and broccoli, got tracksuits, broccoli, got swipes, hoes, not me, birds in the trap line, birds on the phone, birds in the coop with that hookah and Patron, birds in the trap line, birds in the phone, bitch, I'm a bird.